Ultra meal is not just any meal. Boost your mood with your Ultra meal. Ultra meal is a vertical nutrition and long-lasting packaging UHT meal suitable for daily consumption by Indonesian family. Ultra meal is UHT ultra high temperature meal that contain various important nutrition such as protein, carbohydrates, vitamin, and minerals. This meal also contains calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are good for bone and heart health. My nutrition contains protein, carbohydrates, vitamin, mineral, fats. All flavor variants and Ultra milk full cream, mocha, chocolate, and Ultra milk strawberry.